Yeah, morning. Bless up my people, fanatics, folks all over the world. Let's see how it's set. Fantastic people, big up on yourself, one love. Yeah, so right now I just come to address an issue, because you don't know, so when I come to address an issue, I come to address an issue. You understand? Oh, feel like them are gonna cry? But get some tissue, you see me, because anything might talk. But bless up my people, my fanatics, my folks, my audience all over the place. So when I say right now this about the state and affair, we're going to Jamaica rock. I mean I say, how sad the situation is. How much people get murdered and killed down by gun. Innocent people, you know. And it's the land of reggae music. It's sad. It's sad. Think about it, my people. From Peter Tosh. Let them go up in a Peter Tosh yard and execute Peter Tosh. What did they use to do it? Gun the man them use. You understand what I mean? And kill the legend. Gun the man them use. You understand? Tired of the gun thing, a joking thing, because look at now. How could the place where enough of the country in the world, like Zimbabwe and them place they used to liberate themselves, the music, reggae music, what about roots? You understand? Culture, heavy culture. See? How could that the music there? Where make the whole world a better place? And not a full place. Stay. You understand? Beer gun every day, 3, 4 people are dead. Them think they can't really go on. It's not even just bad for business, it's bad for life in itself. You understand? And one Rastaman they tell me something when there's a youth, you know. And I sit down and I meds it. Yeah, I sit down and I made and I meds it and I say, Rastaman show me say, the man them take the chain off our hands and our foot. And the man them put it on our waist and around our brain. You understand? So the mental slavery and the iron gun with upon your waist are the same thing where it's like the chain what was run around back in a plantation time. But not even only that. Right now, all the place there, if everything not really put together really well right now by the people who are govern themselves, because as far as I see it, the government them are bicker about each other and bicker with each other and whatever, but in the real street, the people them are suffering, them are ball, because even when the people them set up a stall, you understand, if a place a run away, I don't know if somebody that's good on there, and just, you understand, hold them up and take with them off. You understand, even if they not take them life, you still mash them up regardless of whether they take them life or left them, whether they rob them or not, you still mash them up. So because I try put this out there where the elders them will say many more will have to suffer, many more will have to die. I know, I understand why. Cause as long as things not change, as long as the government not decides to them are going to help the people who's really helping themselves in Jamaica, I know that. You understand? Born, grow there, and go there, and return and all of this all the time. You understand what I mean, yeah? So I know that. You understand? And the government make the people them distress out. You understand? Make the people them distress out, and when the people them distress out and the people them go scam you now and go do all kind of mad sitting and go turn fool. You understand? You hear say boy this a cartel for blame or a who else ever where do in the ghetto youth them say what them have to say through how them feel or the lifestyle or the environment where the man them in and then sitting there. You understand? The man them just say how them feel. You understand? The man them shouldn't even have to grow up in them the environment if you even talk what them talk. You understand? Cause that's what government mean. It means that you lead the area leaders of the communities. You understand? So whenever anything go on, like what King Selassie said, we have collective security for surety. Yeah? So if we all collectively know what go on and we relay the information to the upper heads and then pay attention, things would have changed by now. You don't have schoolboy a fight with police by now. 100 years back, we rewind. I will look on Jamaican culture and then black and white film. Then it's an orderly place and a nice people. We're open to progress, and most of Jamaica stay that way, same way. It's just down to the iron, metal and some idiot thing where it's changed and shackle where Babylon Pupa will waste you now, dirty gun. It's the same dirty chain and shackle where them have run with foot in a slavery time. The man them are wall way back and the man them have way down bridging. Imagine this. A place where all the fastest man come from. The prettiest woman come from all this. The nicest food all this sitting there. The woman them a win beauty pageant. The man them a fast. The woman them fastest. All kind of thing like that. Second tallest woman in the world. All kind of thing are going for the place. Best coffee. All kind of thing are going for the place. Big up coffee anyway, the musician. But you know, all kind of good things are going for the place. You know what I mean? Imagine Chronics live at this place and you understand, Protege and Janine and them and the whole of them and then good and then nice and you understand, and the man them just now give the people them peace for create and for build and to make the culture look beautiful with just dirty gun, you understand? Yeah, so if I was the government in the morning, yeah, remember to leave on the comments and stuff, cause you don't know. Cause I want to know if a madness may attack or it make any sense whatsoever to people. You understand? So the government really needs to do away with all guns. Look, just like how it was hard for people to ban hanging people one at a time, but they did. At the same way it got hard for ban gun, but we're gonna have to. No gun. You understand? It's the land of wood and water and the land of gun and bullet and copper shot and people are dead and they ain't sitting there every day and they ain't sitting there. You understand? Because I be a musician down there and be a productive people and I want the people them safe. And more time I touch Jamaica, I'm safe. More I know say I'm not safe in a way areas, man. When I talk about oh yeah, safe to sit down up in some tourist place, safe to sit down with the people on the roadside and I eat food and you don't know, you see me? The tourists them will come and know what shrimps is like on the road and make them know what breadfruit bread is like and them know what standing up on the roadside feel like and go and take Jamaica cool nice West Indian breeze and then sitting there, you understand? So the thing, you understand, it upset me, I'm so upset. You understand? Because look at how make me upset you know. Business for go on. You understand? People forget employ, you understand? The thing after go on, you understand? So it don't really matter if people decide say them come around and they want to stay. Doesn't mean that they don't want to invest in their country same way. It don't really matter how you go. You understand? You know, real people are going to recognize real and we're not going to forget where you come from. You're going to try and help them somehow. You understand? So, in the morning, yeah, I just like what the Rasta man said. You understand? How could a place where produce all this good stuff over the last 100 years, you understand? They having this kind of behavior. You understand? This kind of callous, disrespect for life, behavior, have to stop. And the leader them, who is the leader of the opposition and the leader, the ruling leader of the country, when not going good. Because we have to go down in our community them and talk to the area leader them and talk to the big woman them and the big man them who cook for everybody and a big yard and everybody go sit down there and chat to the people and they have to go down there. They have to go help the people and go down in a liquor bar them and liquor pub them where people them set up and it will go on good and go help them. You understand what I mean? You have to help them who help themselves. You can't make the people them feel like they can't do no business, then the same people them where I make money and I put it back in our system, have to go get illegal gun to protect themselves, or have to go get some idiot enforcer when are fully educated and fully done to go do also a certain foolishness. So the people them need help and the people them cry out and this is an international problem. You understand? People might look on me like a video, but just know this one thing, it's an international problem. It's a humanitarian cry because Jamaica is a good place. The people them down there good and they now get the help, the vital help that they need from the system that they live in. You understand what I mean? They now get the vital aid. You understand? And it's sad that it's a place where reggae music come from. We make the whole world feel good because been traveling, been going around the world. You understand? Including Jamaica itself, the music make people feel good. And imagine they dance. And feel nice. Well, like a youth there, where children they are play and do stuff. A man with a one come and go shoot up the place. You understand? Them thing then, it can't go on. You understand? Every gonna forget ban. Every last one. You understand? And if me and I Prime Minister of Jamaica, any legal gun when me catch down at that, a life. A life. You understand? Yeah. All the thing I run now sticky. You understand what I mean, yeah? So, if man get caught with all dirty iron and it's illegal and then fire off rounds and not give account for a life them forget. You understand? And that's why I know some government a joke. You understand? They don't want to secure the reggae music. They don't want to secure the reggae culture. And most of all, they do not want to secure the people of Jamaica. And let me say it more importantly, people them where work and I try every single day. Me have to let this off of my chest just to carry on with my day. You understand? Over and over, my people. It's no real already the good beverage, man. What do you think? You understand? The place where reggae music come from. You understand? We spread so much love around the world. It's not being secured by its own government. Want to think about that? You understand? And any old foreigner can come down, come play with the music and play with the food and come do any foolishness where they want to do. You understand? And violate the treasure which is reggae. You understand what I mean, yeah? The poor people's music, the global music, the sufferer's choice. You understand? Them kind of thing there. You understand? The people in the marketplace where vending food. And vending in Jamaica is not easy because I ain't a hot sun. And when the people have them fruit out and they not sell that day there, they can't really carry that back through the next day. So they have to dash with them the fruit and get fresh fruit every single day. So big up the vendors straight up. No one else right now. Just big up the vendor them out there. We're up on the road with them with the bad mind, dirty hearted, gun dog, them we have beer, gun, and the people them can't even get to sell them produce in peace. You understand? My world, one have to say about this, the rest of the world. Jamaica, Caribbean, Cuba, Wallona, Guyana, Trinidad, one have to say about this. You understand? The one place of reggae music. You understand? The place where people love so much. All of the world, don't they need back the love right now? Pay attention to the place. You understand? Everybody over the world talk to the government and say, hey. You understand? I make them know so on the travel they can better in terms of what the system is for the people there. You understand? Over and out, my people. You understand what I mean? It's the beloved one. Over and out. You understand what I'm saying? You better to make peace and to make war. You understand? I know that. You know that. Out.